In today's mycology adventure, I am making the GordoTek DIY cheap-ass flow hood. I got the AC Infinity fan. I got the tub. I've started cutting out the things. I got my HEPA filter. Pretty much all I want to say for this episode is, you know these things? These Dremels you get from Harbor Freight? Yeah, they pretty much want to kill you. That's their entire, raison d'etre, is to murder you. Dead man switch? Of course not. Just turn this thing on. I mean, if that's not terrifying, I don't know what is. Oh, the power! Do not operate over 2,000 RPM. We're going to crank it to 2005. Do not get in the way of the direction of the blade. That was way more of a faff than it should have been. Alright, so we got all the holes cut. I need to clean up these edges here. I got the hole. Oh no! Shit. Well, I'm going to be siliconing that anyway. Don't grab it by the corner or you'll get a crack. The HEPA filter is just going to go like that. Going to get siliconed in. Our AC Infinity and go right in here, assuming that I've cut the hole correctly. I'll show you more later with some more of this amazing camera work. Sanding down all the edges. Damn, I need to figure out what I'm doing with the camera work. Alright, I'm good at a lot of things, but working with silicone is 100% not one of them. Right here, this is a 100% solid gold bodge job. Oh my god, it looks horrible. I have no idea if this is gonna actually work. I'm just not good at silicone. I can't put the lid on and silicone it right now because, oh my god, this looks so bad. This filter, which I've got siliconed in, if I tilt it up, it slides down that way. So I'm gonna let it cure this way for a while, and then I'll silicone the lid back on, and we'll see if I've just wasted $100 with my, less than $100. There it is in all its dubious glory. Let's do the old test here. You're supposed to have like a 45-degree flame. There it is. Looks pretty 45-degree-ish to me. I don't have a protractor on me, but I slapped all my stickers on there, and I also covered the edges with red duct tape, just so I do not have to look at my disgusting silicone work when I am using the flow hood. And we're going to call it done. That's it for today's adventures in mycology. More soon.